Lego.
Ikea Lego.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Have fun for this one.
Have fun this one.
No. Mommy's saying have fun to play these Legos. Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy, to have this Lego.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome, Mommy.
No, Mommy's gonna say you're welcome.
Yeah, I got.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, mag-haul po tayo. It's all about Ikea haul, and except Ikea, I got also some a mini haul. All is mini haul. Won't be long. I cannot do vlogging now, guys. Just wait. Can you say hello? Hello. Okay. Maybe later.
Oh, look. Just make an umbrella. And the umbrella with a black.
It make them
And just
busy
see how
now.
it's
Black.
Yeah. It make them busy now. Look at them.
Yeah.
Good job, boys.
Taylor, what do you think of the new table and chairs? Guys, welcome back. So, we've just finished the last chair. Caleb and I did an awesome job. Especially Caleb, he's learning how to screw the screws in with the little Allen key piece. So, the final result is, wow, Caleb is already sitting on the little chair. What do you think of the chair? Is it comfortable? Yeah? Okay, so there's the one chair. David, do you like the new table and chairs? What do you think? Caleb, have a seat. Sit down on the chair and show everyone. Boys. Oh, you're going to stand up. Oh, we've got to get quality control here. Quality. Excellent. So, baby, next time you guys can have dinner here or lunch.
So to be continue. So I'll start now, guys. So I'll start with the placemat. This is for the kids one each for the boys. You can open this one. This is a placemat.
You can have one now,
You
hey?
can have this one.
Mom.
Okay, you can show this one to them. And this one, guys, is food covering. That is like replaced to cling wrap. You can you don't have to use. Oh wow! And this one is playmat, not playmat. What's this? Kitchen holder? Not holder. I forgot
Just
to.
forgot the name.
Yeah, yeah. I know you guys
Mittens.
know. Mittens.
Hot food mittens.
Hot food mittens, and it just match with this tea towel one too. And microfiber cloth.
That's the one. Yeah.
So 3 pieces.
Oops.
And this is a salt and pepper. David, please excuse guys for the background they playing. This is salt and pepper.
Shakers. Salt and pepper shakers.
Shakers. Shakers.
Shakers.
Shakers.
You shake them.
Salt and pepper shakers. Okay, David. And this one is, to put something. Because I plan to put it the next to the stove. When you're cooking, I'll put some oil, salt, and pepper. So I don't need to go and reach out the to the storage. I don't have to open up the storage to reach out the oil, and I just want to put this one next to the stove.
It's good. Very good.
And the spray bottle. This is for cleaning. So mostly it's a kitchen stuff, guys. It's very cheap only in Ikea, and this is for cleaner also. So when you clean in the bathroom, there's a corner that you cannot get rid of those what they call this, the moldy one. So you can use this one. It's perfect for this one.
This one that he had.
Okay.
This one that he had.
That's so good.
New hat.
Okay.
Very good, David.
So this one is for the cleaner mittens. Yeah. Mittens or
yeah, that's it.
the
This one
Rubber
rubber gloves. And this one is for the oil tomato sauce or whatever storage. I love this one from Ikea. And this one for the bin, kitchen bin. You guys, oops. And storage, food storage, more food storage.
Cool. They look great.
Yeah. So we spent, I think, 125.
Yeah, and the boys bought the Lego as well.
Yeah, Legos. I already showed that one. And I bought also today for my skincare Asian supermarket. So this is for the nighttime cream, and also this one is for that has collagen, and it's like a toner. So I think that's all, guys.
Nice.
So I hope you like this mini haul. If you wanna check it out in Ikea, so you guys have an idea what to buy for the kitchen. So we did vlog last year for the toy storage for our boys, and also their table and chairs. And we bought also kitchen. It's a kitchen toy for David's one. So he loves playing in a kitchen. So we bought him a kitchen play. So yeah, that's all, guys. I hope you like this video. I know it's not that long. I forgot to mention this one.
The grand finale.
Yeah, this is the last one for a pillow, because we Tim burned the. I think you burned.
I put it in a clothes dryer.
Yeah. So
at the laundromat.
So
and it
unfortunately
totally came apart.
Yeah. So we bought a new one, and this is the pillowcase that I bought also, from last year.
I love that print. The line print's so cool.
Yeah, I love it. So yeah, so guys, that's all for our vlog for today. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And God bless everyone. See you for our next one. Bye bye.
Happy Easter.
Oh, happy Easter, everyone. So it's Easter time. Yeah, so today is not Good Friday, then just ordinary Saturday. So tomorrow's like Sunday, Resurrection Day. So have a lovely Easter, everyone, and God bless. Bye bye. The boys. We'll move this one more.
4, 5, and 6.
We got a lid. Oh no, David!
Look at that. Cool. And then the lids, yeah, they just go on top like that.
This one needs a lid.
Just like that. Yep. I'll show you a different one. Yeah, just down there. They're just going in like that.
Caleb!
Hey guys, welcome back. So, we've just finished the last chair. Caleb and I did an awesome job. Especially Caleb, he's learning how to screw the screws in with the little Allen key piece. So there's the 1 chair, 3 chair, the table. Very easy to put together. I mean, the chairs took 5 minutes each, the table probably 10. So yeah, it's great, and we're just going to leave it in the lounge because the boys often come in the lounge. They bring a plate of snacks or even their meals, like a piece of toast or a sandwich. They just sit in front of the telly watching their shows that they enjoy. So great. So guys, just wrapping up this vlog. So this is just going on from yesterday. So today we did the chairs, the tables. But yesterday when we went to Ikea, we also bought the just the storage spaces here. So this is what they look like anyway. We filled up a few. So, you know, these are great. You know, these things, these little units here, they sell separate. Got 4 different colours. We just chose red and bluey green kind of deal. And the lids sell separate as well. I think the lids were like $3 each or $2 each. These were, the storage compartments were $5 each, I believe. And yeah, so it's great. We've tidied up a lot already. So put odds and sods in there. It just stays on like that. There's little holes so it's easy to open. We just put soft toys in this one. Some of their teddies and soft balls. This little rabbit, Caleb, what do you think?
Rabbit moon.
The rabbit in the moon. It's almost. Oh, there's a couple balls in there. But we still got a lot of stuff. Quite a few things to sort out. Obviously, not everything's going to fit in. So we were just maybe thinking of putting some of their cars, like these ones they love playing with. Like the little cement truck. These ones we can probably just put here somewhere, but I'm sure Barbie's got an idea where she wants it. What do they say? Happy wife, happy life.